How to enable auto scroll on Instagram. Instagram has newly released a feature called auto scroll where they will automatically scroll Instagram reels. So to use them, all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. So first thing first, open Instagram on a device. Now here, if you go to the reel section, here you will find all the reels. So basically you will have to scroll it with hand manually. So now Instagram has released a new feature called auto scroll. So if you hold on a reel for a few seconds, or if you tap on this three dot icon, then here you can see auto scroll. So here as you go, auto scroll. So if you enable this and then go back, so once the reel finishes, so let us wait for a few seconds until the reel finishes, and then there you go. So it will scroll automatically. So if I move to the end of this reel, there you go, it will scroll automatically. Let me move to the end of this reel as well. So once the reel finishes, it keeps on scrolling. So this is how you can enable auto scroll feature on Instagram. However, this feature is new to Instagram as they have recently released. It may not be available when you like open Instagram straight away. So try to update the Instagram if there is any update available, and once you update it, you will see this feature. So this is how you can enable auto scroll on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.